Welcome to our real food profile on one of nature's most interesting natural foods, mushrooms. We'll be exploring their unique culinary attributes and significant health benefits. Mushrooms are treasures in the kitchen, offering more than just unique texture and taste. They are a flavorful way of filling nutritional gaps in our diet, particularly with the nutrients, selenium, and vitamin D, which are crucial for maintaining optimal health. Additionally, they are rich in B vitamins, phosphorus, copper, and potassium, making mushrooms a versatile ingredient that can enhance any dish with both flavor and nutrition. Selenium is a trace mineral that is essential for human health. It is found in soil, water, and various foods, including mushrooms and nuts. Selenium plays a critical role in your body. It acts as an antioxidant, supports thyroid function, and boosts immune health. And mushrooms, particularly varieties like white button, cremini, and shiitake, are excellent sources of selenium. A single cup of cooked white button mushrooms can fulfill about 1/3 of the daily recommended selenium intake. Vitamin D is known for its role in bone health and immune function, and most people know that when their skin is exposed to the ultraviolet light in sunlight, it produces vitamin D. But what most people don't know is that mushrooms that are exposed to ultraviolet light can also make vitamin D. Some commercial mushroom growers have started exposing their crops to UV light, creating a readily available source of vitamin D for consumers, especially those who live in regions with limited sun exposure. Mushrooms also stand out for their low-calorie, high-protein profile, with low fat and carbohydrates. And they contain healthful compounds like polysaccharides, polyphenols, and carotenoids. Research has highlighted the potential antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer effects of these substances, making mushrooms a functional food with a range of health-promoting properties. Preparing and cooking mushrooms properly is vital to retaining their valuable nutrients. Here are some tips. 1. Minimize water use. Mushrooms absorb water, which can lead to nutrient dilution. Instead of washing them under a tap, gently clean them with a damp cloth or a soft brush. 2. Cooking method matters. To prevent nutrient loss, avoid overcooking mushrooms at high temperatures. Sautéing, roasting, or grilling with just a bit of oil can help preserve their vitamins and minerals. 3. Enhance vitamin D absorption. Pairing mushrooms with healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, or olive oil, can improve vitamin D absorption and maximize the health benefits of your mushroom dishes. Here's a quick recap. Incorporating a variety of mushrooms into your diet can significantly help fill nutritional gaps, especially for essential elements like selenium and vitamin D. By understanding the health benefits and learning how to cook mushrooms effectively, you can enjoy the delightful flavors and textures they bring while boosting your health and wellness. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more about the power of real foods, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more healthful insights. Here's to better health, one delicious mushroom at a time.